Bruxism is a pretty common occurrence in adults when they grind their teeth at night. Oftentimes it can be stress-induced. For some individuals it's more than just stress-induced. It's actually a neural pathway that happens at night, and it is incredibly destructive to teeth. It can break natural teeth, break crowns, break veneers. So oftentimes when we find a patient who is suffering from bruxism, we love to provide them with a night guard, something that protects their teeth throughout the night so that they're not continuing to break down their teeth. Long-term damages of bruxism include broken teeth, fractured teeth. Oftentimes we see where it'll just split a tooth in half because it's a tremendous amount of forces on the teeth.